In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal two-step verification. If you want to make your PayPal account more secure, turning on two-step verification is a smart step. This adds an extra layer of protection when you sign in, helping reduce the risk of unauthorized access. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to choose the verification method that works best for you. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and go to your account homepage. Once you're there, look for the settings option and click on it. This is where PayPal keeps your account preferences and management tools, so it's the starting point for updating security features like two-step verification. After opening settings, click on Security. The Security section is where you can manage important account protections, including password-related options and sign-in safeguards. If you ever need to review or improve your account safety in the future, this is the section you'll want to revisit. Next, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification and click on it. This is the feature that requires a second form of verification in addition to your password. It's especially useful because even if someone gets access to your password, they would still need the second verification method to get into your account. At this point, PayPal will give you a choice for how you want to set up two-step verification. One option is to use an authenticator app. If you choose this, you'll connect your PayPal account to an authentication app on your mobile device. This method is often preferred because it can be fast, reliable, and more secure than methods that depend on text messages. If you already use an authenticator app for other accounts, this may be the most convenient choice for you. You may also see the option to use a security key device. If you click on Use a security key device, you can set up a physical security key for sign-in verification. This option is a great fit if you want a stronger, hardware-based layer of protection. It's commonly used by people who prioritize account security and prefer using a dedicated device during login. Whichever method you choose, make sure you complete the setup carefully and follow the on-screen instructions all the way to the end. It's also a good idea to test your sign-in afterward so you can confirm everything is working properly. Once setup is complete, your PayPal account will be better protected with two-step verification enabled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.